Alright, today we're going to learn how to calculate standard deviation for group data. Before I even begin to teach you how to calculate this standard deviation for group data, let me talk about what group data is first. Look at this table here. It shows certain things, like for example, this is a table showing group data. So children with their age 14 years for a certain group, there are 3 of them. So 14 occurs 3 times, 14, 14, 14. For this one, 15-year-olds, okay, there are 24 15-year-olds, so 15 will occur 24 times. Okay, so it's 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 24 times. 16 will occur 11 times, so it's 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, and 17 just occurs twice. 17 years old, 17 years old. There are 2 children or teens, right? They are age 17 years old. So that is the brief idea behind what is a table that shows group data. Now we're going to calculate a group data, a standard deviation for group data using the CASIO calculator. So first and foremost, same thing, mode, okay, mode, stat, 1 VAR. Okay, here is where we have to see that. Notice that there's only the data column. There is no frequency column here. How do we actually get about with the frequency column? So first I press Shift and Setup. Okay, setup, if you notice the first column right there, these first 2 columns, there's nothing that helps me there. There's a downward arrow down there, so you just press down. Notice that there is a stat down here. So if I press for stat, it asks me if frequency on or off. I say on. Notice that now you actually have the data column and the frequency column as well. So what we key? 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, but now, okay, we can change the frequency for each one. 14 occurs 3 times. I just maneuvered using the pad over there. 15 occurs 24 times. 16 occurs 11 times. Oops, made a mistake there. That's a good thing. 11 times. 17 occurs twice. Okay, just check to see that all your data is correctly keyed in. Now press the on button. Okay, same thing as the ungrouped data. Shift 1. Okay, then I want the variance VAR. To find the mean is 2. My mean is 15.3 as shown down here. Next one, I press the on button. I want to find my standard deviation. Again, VAR 3. And my standard deviation is 0.678, correct to 3 significant figures. And don't forget that the units of the mean and standard deviation follows the units of whatever data you are calculating. And that concludes my demonstration of the use of a CASIO calculator to calculate standard deviation for group data.